Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to solve the puzzle if 0 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 7, then 4 minus 3 is what? So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's find out the logic, and if you have different logic, please comment down below. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 3. How? 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Similarly, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So here 4 minus 3 is 1, and what we are doing, adding 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So what replaces the question mark? 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.